Exploring words. Starting with F. Fine. The weather was fine for a picnic. He had to pay a fine for speeding. Be fine. He will be fine after some rest. Don't worry, the project will be fine. Fine arts. She is studying fine arts in college. The museum has a great fine arts collection. Finite. There is a finite amount of resources on Earth. His patience is finite. Fir. They planted a fir tree in the backyard. The forest is full of fir and pine trees. Fire. They gathered around the fire for warmth. The chef decided to fire the assistant for negligence. Fist. He clenched his fist in anger. The boxer threw a powerful fist punch. Fizzy. She ordered a fizzy drink with her meal. This soda is too fizzy. Flamingo. They spotted a flamingo by the lake. The zoo has a flamingo exhibit. Flan. She made a delicious flan for dessert. He enjoys caramel flan with coffee. Flank. The army protected the left flank. She stood at his flank during the ceremony. Flap. The bird's wings began to flap vigorously. The tent flap was left open. Flare. The fire flared up suddenly. He wore pants with a slight flare at the bottom.